How to clear all cache and junk files from Windows 11. Press the Windows key and R key together to open the Run dialog box. Then type prefetch. Press enter. Click continue to give permission. Select all. Then delete it. Some files will not delete because it's in use. Click skip for those files. Close the folder. Then again open Run. Type temp. Press enter. Click continue to give permission. Select all. Then delete it. Click skip. Close the folder. Open Run again. Then type %temp%. Press enter. Select all. Then delete it. Click skip. Close the folder. Now go to Start menu. Then search Disk Cleanup tool. Then select your boot drive, as mine is drive C. Then click OK. This will scan your drive for unnecessary files that can be safely deleted. Once the scan is complete, select which files you want to delete by checking the corresponding boxes. If you want to clean up even more, you can click on the Clean Up System Files button. This will perform another scan, but this time it will include system files such as old Windows updates, log files and other files that can be safely deleted. Select which files you want to delete and then click OK. Click Delete Files to confirm. After that, go to Settings. Click on System, then click on Storage option. Click on Temporary Files. Select the unnecessary files you want to remove. And then click on Remove Files. And that's how you can clear all cache and junk files from Windows 11. Thanks for watching.